What is up, everybody? This is Mason Alexander Reviews. I'm coming back at you guys today with another video. Thank you for stopping by the channel. It really means a lot. Appreciate it. Before we get started, please like and subscribe to my channel. Obviously, if you guys like sneaker videos and you want to see up close details of some of these reps that are out there, be sure to subscribe, turn on post notifications, and comment down below some other sneakers you guys would like to see in the future. I've got a lot of stuff coming. I've got a lot of stuff coming on the way, so look forward to that. Today we're going to be talking about this shoe right here, the Jordan 4 Black Cat. This particular pair is from Pickpop, so that's where I got these from. They sent them to me and wanted me to review these. And there's not really much to say about this, but I really wanted to just show you guys up close details of this shoe, get some nice B-roll, and you guys can see for yourself how they did with this sneaker. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so starting out with the box, it just comes in a standard black box, obviously, with some black wrapping paper, and then you just get to the shoe. Very simple. A nice Jordan 4, just comes in your standard Jordan 4 design, but it's just decked out in black, which is really something that I enjoy. But it does have some glossy parts of it, like the Jumpman logo on the back. It has black laces, the netting is black, everything is black, and it comes in this nice suede material all around it, which can get pretty linty, but you know, it's still nice. So like I said, it has this glossy finish around the midsole, pretty much around the whole ankle area and around near the toe, and also on the eyelets. Just comes in this glossy black. It looks really nice and is a nice contrast up against the suede matte leather color of black. Bottom, everything is black besides your Jordan Jumpman logo. It comes in white. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys liked this video. I hope you could see a lot of the details of this shoe. I thought Pickpop did a really good job. It's kind of a tongue twister, anyways. I thought they did a really nice job with constructing this sneaker, and yeah, I'll definitely be wearing these a lot. If you guys want to see me style these, follow me on Mason Fitted. Again, subscribe and like this video for more content, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.